Interesting, and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah, see?
These police officers were gathering information about this woman's car that was recently stolen.
That's my car.
That is?
That was my car.
Wow.
Are you kidding me? Yeah.
It's okay, alright? I'm gonna get you out of here, alright?
NASA has a cool device that can simulate what it's like to move around as if you were on the moon.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Literally feels like you're Spider-Man.
Stop, Jackson. You swore.
Everyone knows about the cone of shame for dogs, but what about the cone of shame for hamsters? People keep messing around with these food delivery robots. I learned something new today, and it's the fact that bunnies will stomp their feet if they are upset about something.
Like, I'm sorry, you're mad, but you can't just jump out here. Ludwig, there's dogs here. And cats.
Someone was waiting for a package to be delivered to their home when the delivery driver dropped it off, took a picture, and then took it away. This is how a YouTube video can be viewed all over the world in less than a second. These are fiber optic cables that lay deep on the ocean floor, which makes today's internet possible. Over 99% of all data on the internet travels through these deep ocean cables. Someone parked their car in a really bad spot. Sadly, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.